put your corners in, you can put your starter strip in and proceed to put your vinyl on, or you can go ahead and put your J-channel around your windows and doors. I'm going to put my J-channel in now, so when I start putting my vinyl, I can keep rolling. So on your window, you want to measure, start at the bottom, start bottom of the at 25 inches. Then you got to know what size J-channel you have. J-channel that I'm using is an inch. So what you want to do, measure the bottom of your window, minus 25, add an inch on each side. So 26, 27. So I'm going to cut this first piece 27 inches long. Now that I cut my J-channel 27 inches, which is an inch on each side, because my window's 25. Now on the bottom one, I'm going to notch it out right there at my inch mark. I'm just notch all this out right here. You can use a tool, or I just use that. I'm finish it with my knife, or just take the snips, get in there, cut it out. Gotta take the knife and dress up a little bit. Look here, line it up. That way I got it notched out. I got it notched out for about an inch on each side. Get up tight to that handle. Some people say you go ahead and put these nails in tight. Some say still leave a little slack in like you do your vinyl. Do it whichever way you want to. And you're going to get your measurements on the sides. Same, got 25. So you want to add an inch. We'll cut these 27. This piece is going to connect to that bottom piece. Going up the side right here. On the bottom, you want to notch that and fold it so it tuck under so your water will run down. The one at the top, you want to cut that one completely out. Now the one at the bottom, all you want to do is just bend that one. And that's going to tuck on that bottom piece. One at the top, cut that one completely out. On this top piece, I also cut it 27 inches. But what's going to happen on the top piece, you're just going to fold both sides down. And that's going to go down on your two end pieces to help divert the water down beside your window. Hopefully you don't get no water nowhere. Very last piece. Come up here. And it's going to tuck down on both sides. And still want that picture frame look. We go back and fortify that as well. After done that, go back and put you some house wrap tape This window is over 7 feet off the ground. So I'm gonna stand on the ladder so you can kind of see what trim looked like after I was finished with it. See how we 45'd it. Got a picture frame look.